Hello! Welcome back to Learn English with Honna. Let's review. Hello! Hi! Bye! Goodbye! Today, we will learn how to say our name in English. My name is Honna. My name is Honna. My name is Honna. Listen and repeat after me. My name is Honna. Very good. My name is. My name is. My name is. Listen and repeat after me. My name is. Great job. What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Listen and repeat after me. What's your name? Great job. Hello. What's your name? My name is Honna. Nice to meet you. Now it's your turn. I will say the words in red, and you will say the words in blue. I will start. Hello. What's your name? My name is Honna. Nice to meet you. Bye. Amazing job. My name is Honna. My name is Honna. I am Honna. I am Honna. My name is Honna. I am Honna. My name is Honna. I am Honna mean the same thing. My name is. I am mean the same thing. My name is Honna. What did I say? Very good. I said my name is Honna. What's your name? What did I say? Great job. I said, what's your name? Hello. I am Honna. What did I say? Amazing! I said hello. I am Honna. Let's practice. What's your name? My name is Honna. What's your name? I am Honna. Nice to meet you. Great job! Names use letters. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. H is for Honna. H says H says every letter makes a sound and H says H is for Honna. Great job. What's your name? My name is I am. Write your name in English. Pause the video and write down these words. Amazing job today. Today we learned my name is. What's your name? I am. See you next time for our next lesson, Lesson 3, Basic Classroom English. Goodbye.